Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone that comes with a huge 6500 mAh battery. So we will see how much time it's going to take in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So we are going to use this another smartphone for the timer purpose. So as you can see, the battery is totally dead. So as you can see, still after 5 minutes, the device is not switching on. So the phone is finally switched on after nearly 6 minutes because the battery was totally dead. Now it is at 1%, as you can see here. And here you can see that the Mi Turbo Charge is activated and it is charging at the full speed. So it's 10 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status. And it is at 9%. So you can see that it is charging pretty fast here, charging rapidly. So it's 30 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status. And now it is at 44%. So it's 45 minutes now, and after 45 minutes, the battery percentage is at 66. So it's an hour now, and the battery percentage is at 85. Now, if you go to the battery settings, here you can see that it is showing it will take 10 minutes more in charging the battery up to 100%. So 1 hour 5 minutes now, and the battery percentage is at 91, 7 minutes more to go. So it's an hour 11 minutes. And the battery is at 97%, 4 more minutes to go. It's at 98% now. 2 minutes more to go. So I'm going to keep the screen on to see exactly when it's going to be 99% and then 200%. So 99%. So after 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 seconds, the battery is fully charged now. And considering the fact that we got a huge 6500 mAh battery, the charging speed is quite impressive for sure. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.